Let's go.
Guys, welcome. This is our manufacturing facility. He is our production manager, Mr. Avinash. He is taking care of everything. He is Mr. Sharick. He is our R&D head. So we'll just give you a quick tour of our manufacturing facility. So as you know, we make eye pulse, eye care, eye gum, eye slim bar, eye coffee. So we divided it into 3 sections: beverage section, bar section, and powder section. Okay. So English is okay for everybody. If you want to translate, you can just translate for everybody. Okay. Fine. Sir, we'll move. We'll start now. Please.
Dryers. Here we do a drying of raw material, which is being used for rifles. So remove the moisture, micro load. That will ensure.
My name is Paul.
These are the dryers that will go for beverage section. Here's the beverage manufacturing. You can see the reactors, big tanks. These all tanks we call as the reactors. Reactors, okay? Here we manufacture eye pulse, eye care, and eye glow. These are the beverages. So we have separate tanks, separate reactors for separate product. So one tank for eye glow, one more reactor for eye pulse, and one more reactor for eye care. Here. So like we add water and other ingredient juices. Natural ingredients are there. We mix it into a pasteurization. We have pasteurization from here. Pasteurization is for to kill the microorganisms. Microorganisms. Now that we heat the product. Heat the product. In that the microorganism can kill. So that we have to ensure that. So before adding also the raw materials, the RO water equipment is being analyzed. All the raw materials we analyze it. We get a clearance from the QC, QA, the micro department we have. We have a store department, we have biology department, we have a quality control department, quality assurance department. So those all the team are there in place. They will analyze all the raw materials. So then they will give a clearance. Suppose the clearance, what we'll do, we'll dispense the raw material to the production. Then here we do formulation, batch manufacturing. The production department, what we do, they do documentation, they do. After that, they will do batch manufacturing. Then it will be sent into the stores for the go down. Then it will come to the sales. So this is a series of steps here. So that we have to make ensure that it is the food what we are consuming is safe. How the food will be safe? How food will be safe? How we do in our home? We bring the vegetables from outside. We wash it, we clean it. The same way we follow here. The same kitchen, our mother what is following the same. Then here advanced. We do some analysis, documentation. Like this is the manufacturing of eye pulse, eye care, and eye glow. Here what we do? Mix it. Yes, we'll mix it. We'll heat it. Then we'll do pasteurization. Then we will fill here. The lines are there. You can see the lines. So it will be line connected one. From there it will go there. Then it will be coming here. It will come here, filling to the bottle. Filling to the 1 liter bottle we have, right? That bottle it will be clean with the hot water there. Then after that it will come to that conveyor. It will fill in the bottle. The juice will fill. After that, after filling, it will go to the tunneling. Shrinking will happen. That sleeves you have, outer sleeves. That sleeve will be shrinking in the heating tunneling. The 2 tunnels we have, there the shrinking will happen. The primary packing. Primary cap and capping machine. The 2 capping machine we have. The cap, inner cap first they'll put, and then outer cap they'll put. That seal will be happen. Here only that machine. Shrinking and primary packing and a secondary packing. And it will go to the go down. Once it is packed completely with the outer shrink, it will go to our FG go down.
ആവശ്യമില്ലാത്ത കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഈ സാധനത്തിന് റിയാക്ഷൻസ് ഇവിടുന്ന് മിക്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പാസ്റ്ററേഷൻ നടത്തിയിട്ട് ഇത് നേരെ ആ ഒരു ടണലിൽ കൂടെ പോയിട്ട് സാധനം യൂസ് ആയിട്ട് പോകും. ഇവിടുന്ന് എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, നമ്മുടെ മറ്റേ ബോട്ടിൽ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, ബോട്ടിൽ നല്ലോണം ഹീറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ ബോട്ടിൽ നിന്നുള്ള എല്ലാ പ്രശ്നം ആവശ്യമില്ലാത്ത ഇൻസെക്റ്റും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും. അതൊക്കെ കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് നേരത്തെ ഈ ബോട്ടിൽ ഇതിൽ കൂടെ വന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടുന്ന് നിറച്ചിട്ട് ഇവിടുന്ന് എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, അതിന്റെ മൂടിവിലുള്ള ആദ്യത്തെ മൂടിയിടും, അതേപോലെ തന്നെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ മൂടിയിടും, അതിന്റെ മുകളിലുള്ള മറ്റു സാധനങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും
80 ഡിഗ്രിയിൽ ചൂടാക്കും. സ്റ്റെറിലൈസ് ചെയ്യും എന്നിട്ടാണ്
Yeah, series of checks. Team are there to check each and every step.
92 degree.
92 degree.
92 degree. It is 92 degree.
Yeah. The juice, the eyeballs eye care are there. That will be heated to 92 degree. Then it will be cooled to 72 degree. And before filling it will be 60 degree. So the temperature will come down.
All the things will be displayed here.
Yeah.
Once it is start running, okay, we will be displayed for all our operators also to be ensure all SOP has to be followed. It will be displayed here, okay, every time. Okay. What batch is running, what product is running.
Standard operating
Okay, all SOPs will be displayed here.
This is the coffee section, coffee creamer and eye coffee creamer and eye coffee black. Here what we do, we have octagonal blender. It will rotate in any direction. Every day we have an eye coffee creamer and black. That will be what here, same way what we followed, the same process. So same process, analyzing, approval, documentation, different things. So same will bring it here, we'll mix it, we'll blend it. So we have a standard operating procedure for this one. Every product, each product we have. That only we follow. No deviations, we'll ensure that no deviations will be happening. After getting blended, so we'll unload it in a polythene cover like that. So that will take it to the packing machines. We have a packing machine. Coffee creamer separate, coffee black separate. So will we bring it to here?
എന്നിട്ട് അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇവിടെ വരും.
Here the coffee machines, packing machine, pouch packing machine, 10 gram, 50 gram sachets. That will be packed here. It will be filled in a hopper. The way it's happening now, you can see. Here's the coffee black. The packing is happening now. The powder will be the blended. After blending, after analyzing, after approval, that blend will come here. It will be dumped manually with a SS scoop. That will be filled. The roll is there, pre-coated roll. It will pack out and come into here.
Only 15 grams, right?
10 gram and 15 gram.
10.
That is where the packing sachets are coming. And left hand side you can see the iGlow packing machine. This is our iGlow packing machine. iGlow, one of the iGlow variants we have. Same there in this unit, that tanks, reactors, the batch will be made. From there the line is there. It will come out here.
That is for 4 different flavors, right?
Yes. At single time will run only one flavor.
Single time one flavor.
One flavor will run.
Single time one flavor.
Pouch will be, in that tank the liquidity will come, it will be filled, it will be sealed with the lamp. It will come and it will be packed.
Sir, this powder is coffee powder,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. This is eye coffee black.
Yeah.
And here is the secondary packing in the monocotton. They will check, packet, seal, the coding, the weight. It will be ensured. They will ensure manually. They will pack in each monocotton 50 units. They will count and they will pack. And after that they will weigh up.
പിന്നെ നേരത്തെ നമുക്ക് കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞു ശരി ഇത്ര ആൾക്കാരെ വെക്കുള്ളൂ അതിന്റെ കൂടുതൽ ആൾക്കാരായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ പല ഫോൾസുകളും വരാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട് അതിൽ വരെ ശ്രദ്ധ എടുക്കണം അതായത് ഇത്ര ലിമിറ്റഡുള്ള ആൾക്കാരെ 1 2 3 അതിൽ 6 ആൾക്കാരെ വെക്കുന്നത് അതെന്താ അവിടെ 10-50 ആൾക്കാരെ കൊണ്ടൊന്നും വെക്കൂല കാരണം അവിടെ ഫോൾസ്
Now there is a lunch time, rent for lunch. So now today orange variant we are running. Orange, yeah, it will be like the same process how you follow in beverages here also. All the raw materials get analyzed, get approved, get documented, and it will be displayed.
ഐസ്ക്രീമിന്റെ ഫാക്ടറിയാണ് ഐസ്ക്രീമിന്റെ ഓറഞ്ച് ആണ്
The blending will happen here, the heating will happen here, the cutting will happen, the packing will happen. Cutting there, see. First, the dough will prepare. The dough will come. We'll make a dough first, and then we'll do a heating. Required dimensions we have. That will be, any direction it will come.
നമ്മൾ ഐസ്ക്രീമിന്റെ കവർ സാധാ ഏതെങ്കിലും പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക് കവറല്ല ആ പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക് കവർ വരെ പരിശോധനയ്ക്ക് വിധേയതിനു ശേഷമാണ് കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്
Actually, it was running,
Yeah.
but due to
Lens.
lunchtime, we have gone for a lunch.
So this is our manufacturing unit.
This is media preparation room.
Hmm.
Here we are preparing the media. What we are analyzing the samples now. First we are preparing the media, and from this room, here one pass box is there. After preparation, through that pass box, we are taking that media to here for sterilization process.
Okay.
We are sterilizing glasswares, media, and all in this sterilization at 121 degrees centigrade. 121 degrees centigrade, 15 lbs pressure.
Yeah.
To kill all the types of microorganisms, what we are using for cultivate the organism of product. What we are getting the product now, that in that other contamination should not be there.
Oh.
So that's why we are doing sterilization 121 degrees centigrade, 15 lbs pressure for 15 minutes.
Oh.
After sterilization, we are taking those media and glasswares to here through that pass box.
Okay.
Pass box is there from that side. And here this is sample preparation room. This is mainly used for only for sample preparation. Nothing activity done here. After preparation of the sample here, we are keeping for mixing with that equipment.
Okay.
Like this. See.
Oh, great.
Like that we are mixing properly.
Okay.
After that mixing and preparation, we are taking that samples through that pass box to that room. This is airlock room. Come on. This is laminar airflow chamber.
Yeah.
This is heart of the microbiology department. By this chamber only we are performing the analysis. Here we are taking that samples through that pass box and we are performing the analysis here in this room. After performing the analysis completion, plates and we are keeping for incubation in that room.
Incubation.
Yeah, because we have one more laminar airflow chamber like that only. Because we have a lot of samples for analysis, raw materials, finished products, and R&D samples. This one laminar airflow chamber 2 as like only. Here also we can perform it. This is biosafety cabinet, advanced equipment. Here we are testing only pathogen organisms like Salmonella, coliform. We are identifying and we are testing anything present in that product. Okay. This is final incubation room. We have incubators separately.
Okay.
This incubator for bacteria and pathogens like E. coli, coliform, Salmonella, like that organisms we are growing in this incubator with a temperature of 35 degrees centigrade. It should not switch off. Should not switch off. One sample analysis will complete after 48 to 72 hours. 72 hours we need to cultivate growing the microorganism. What we are getting the sample now, like iPulse or iCare and also coffee block, those samples we are mixing, we are performing and we are keeping in that incubator for 48 to 72 hours. Like this.
Oh, great. This is iPulse samples.
Yeah.
iCoffee samples.
Yes.
Wow.
This is for yeast and mold organisms. This is for 5 to 7 days. Yeast and mold.
5 to 7.
Yeah. Temperature is 25 degree we are maintaining.
Okay.
This is for iPulse and iCare. And also iCoffee block.
iCoffee block.
Yeah. After completion of this one, in this equipment, we are testing, counting the colonies. How much colonies are present. This is a digital colony counter.
Okay. Just look at this micro.
Yeah, we are keeping that plates after completion of incubation period. We are keeping and we are counting.
Then
after completion of this incubation period, we are taking the results, means reports, and we are taking through this pass to that room. He is Mr. Umesh. He is working in our laboratory assistant.
Nice to meet you, sir.
From this pass box, we are taking that plates and we are taking any confirmatory test is there for confirming particular organism. We are performing confirmation test here. We are saying identifying the microorganism by using microscope. This is microscope.
Yeah.
Okay. After that,
Last time I see in this my plus 2 biology lab.
This is a double distillation water unit.
Yeah.
We are distillating the water here itself for preparing the media for testing purpose. And after completion of that plates, we are taking through this phosphorus to decontamination room. What we are getting the waste after the analysis, that waste we are decontaminating. Some of the plates containing organisms. That organisms grow in that plate. That we can't destroy directly through somewhere. So that's why we are doing here, as like I explained, no sterilization process 121 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes there. Here 30 minutes to kill that organism. What we grow now, that organism we are before discarding, we are killing that organism. Then only we are going to discard. This is emergency exit and also waste exit. From here itself it will go out. Our laboratory is unidirectional. Once we are getting the sample from reception, we are taking inside for sample preparation room. Then performance analysis performance room. From this incubation room, confirmation room, decontamination room, killing the organisms. Then it will go outside. From that emergency exit. It won't come inside once again.
It's not come to inside.
No. It's a unidirectional. Once sample come, it will go like that. We are washing the plates through RO water. Also we are rinsing in ethanol, 70% ethanol. After completion of washing, we are keeping for dry heat sterilization in this equipment for 160 degrees centigrade for 2 hours.
2 hours? Yeah. What a processing you are doing here.
Otherwise, we can't justify this product is free from microorganisms or not. We can't give blindly for the customer. From this, we are each and every room is this one pressure monitored. Each and every room, pressure monitoring is there. Positive pressure and negative pressure. This corridor is there. No, this is washing room. From washing room, no air should come to the corridor. This is negative pressure, this room. This air will not come to here corridor. This corridor air will not go to this room. Like this positive pressure. You just sense here. Air is coming from that room outside only. It won't go inside. It won't contaminate that room. This is
exit. Right.
Laminar airflow chamber.
1, 2.
Laminar airflow chamber 2. Biosafety cabinet. Incubation room. In that room we have deep freezer. Incubator for bacteria. Incubator for yeast and mold separately. And also this is instrumentation room. We have microscope and also air sampler, water double distillation unit, water bath and all. This is decontamination room.
Kill the
organisms and we are
then washing area. Then exit.
See, this is the stability chamber. So as name indicates that it defines the stability of your product, whether your product is stable or not stable. So whenever you are launching or when you are introducing any new product, it should be subjected to all the, like I told, physical, chemical, microbiological analysis. So for example, if you are launching any beverage, other companies are putting 1 year shelf life, let us put 1 year, but it's not like that. It would be subjected to the analysis. So as per ICS, it is International Commission for Harmonization, it is a worldwide accepted guideline. There are 2 kinds of stability supposed to be carried out. One is the real time. Real time means if the shelf life is 1 year, so we will be having sample from the day of manufacturing up to final expiry date. This is the accelerated studies. So this is on 25 degree temperature, ambient temperature and 45 RH. 60% RH plus minus 5 degree. This is humidity would be high, temperature would be 40 degrees centigrade. We want, it is called accelerated shelf life studies.
These two are for
stability studies. So we will give high temperature, we will give high humidity. High humidity means high moisture content in your air. So humid air would be there, temperature would be high, then we'll see what is the impact on my product. So that we will conduct, and whether we will see whether my product is stable or not stable. And this is the basic fundamental. On that basis, we define the shelf life or expiry date of my product. These treatments are meant for that purpose.
യെസ് ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ നമ്മളെ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിന് ഏത് പുതിയ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് വരികയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലും അതിന് രണ്ട് തരത്തിലാണ് അതിന്റെ സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റി ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യും. സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റി പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് എത്ര കാലം കൊണ്ട് എക്സ്പയറി ആവണം എന്നുള്ളത് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് രണ്ട് കാര്യമുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മള് ചില ടൈമിൽ നമ്മൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ വെയിലത്തൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ്, അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ചില ടൈമിൽ തണുപ്പത്താക്കാറ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് രണ്ട് തരത്തിലാണ്. ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 25 ഡിഗ്രിയിൽ ചെറിയ ടെമ്പറേച്ചറിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, വല്ലാണ്ട് ഹ്യൂമിഡിറ്റി ഇല്ലാത്ത ഒരു ഇതിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. അതെന്ത് ചെയ്യും, മാനുഫാക്ചറിങ് മുതൽ ഒരു കൊല്ലം ഇതിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ വെക്കും. ഒരു കൊല്ലം വെച്ചിട്ട് ഇതിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ളത് ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഇവിടുത്തെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാല്.
So natural preservative is what? Salt and sugar, but up to certain quantity. For example, if you are having more than 70% of sugar in your product, then your sugar itself work as a preservative. Take an example, you are buying some rasgulla, gulab jamun, these kind of products. There is no added preservative is being used. It is canned process, hot fill, and no preservative at all. The same way, whenever you are manufacturing this IE% these kind of products, so Ayush, our products are Ayush certified. So Ayush has defined the limit of sodium malate or potassium sulfate as 1000 ppm. 1000 ppm you can consider it as 1000 milligram in 1 liter. So this is the prescribed limit. So we are using very less than that. So potassium sorbate. So that is a part of a formulation which is approved from the government of India, Ayush. So that is being used.
അപ്പം സാൾട്ടും ഷുഗറൊക്കെ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ഗുലാബ് ജാമോ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഇപ്പൊ മൂടിയൊക്കെ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതൊന്നും എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, പെട്ടെന്ന് കേടില്ല. കാരണം എന്താ വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാല് ഒരു സംഭവത്തിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഷുഗർ സാൾട്ടൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ പ്രിസർവേറ്റീവ് ആയിട്ട് ആക്ട് ചെയ്യും, കേടില്ലാത്ത രീതിയിൽ ആക്ട് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പൊ നമ്മളിതിൽ പറയുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പൊട്ടാസ്യം
Potassium sorbate is mentioned in the product also.
അത് 1000 മില്ലിക്ക് സത്യം പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാല് ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ അളവിലും മതി. അതും നാച്ചുറൽ ആണ്.
Because it undergoes very stringent quality checks at all the points of the manufacturing process, right from sourcing of raw materials to dispatch of the final product. High-end analytical equipment are involved in the analysis.